every Monday morning. Somewhere in an office, a junior IT admin is copying and pasting the same data into the same spreadsheet manually. Again, that stops today. By the end of this video, you will have a working Python script that collects system data, builds a formatted report, and emails it to you automatically on a schedule you set. No advanced Python experience needed. Just a computer, Python installed, and about 10 minutes. Let's get into it. Manual IT reporting is one of those tasks that feels small until you add it up. If you spend 30 minutes a day pulling together system stats, uptime logs, and disk usage reports, that is 2.5 hours every week. Over a year, that is more than 120 hours. That is 3 full work weeks gone. Automation does not replace your job. It upgrades it. When your reports run themselves, you have time for the work that actually requires your brain. Here is the other reason this matters. Employers are looking for IT candidates who can automate. On job listings across South Africa right now, you will see phrases like scripting skills required or experience with automation tools preferred. A working Python report script in your portfolio is proof you have that skill. We are going to use Python with a library called python-ldap. It stands for Process and System Utilities. It gives you access to CPU usage, memory, disk space, and running processes, all from inside a Python script. We will also use the built-in smtplib library to send email, and the schedule library to run everything automatically. No paid tools, no subscriptions, just Python. Before we start, make sure you have Python 3 installed. Open your terminal and type Python version. If you see Python 3.8 or higher, you are good. If not, head to python.org and install it. Now install the libraries we need. Run this command: pip install python schedule. Done. Let's build the script. Step 1. Collect system data. Create a new file called it_report.py. At the top, import your libraries. Import python, import datetime, import smtplib, import schedule, import time from email, mime, text. Import mime text. Now write a function called collect_data. This is where python does the work. Python-def collect_data. CPU equals python.cpu_%. Interval equals 1. Memory equals python. Virtual_memory. Disk equals python. Disk_usage. Single quote / single quote. Boot_time equals datetime. Datetime from timestamp. Python. Boot_time. Return CPU. Memory. Disk. Boot_time CPU_% gives you current CPU load. Virtual_memory gives you RAM stats. Disk_usage gives you storage. And boot_time tells you when the machine last restarted. 4 lines. 4 useful data points. Step 2. Build the report. Now write a function called build_report. This turns